far as the S&P, so far wow. Now that's actually a pretty decent open. As far as because futures open right now for everyone that is new here. Stock market will open tomorrow. Futures they just closed down. Actually, the full day is Saturday. Friday evening, they close down Saturday and they open Sunday. You know, today was obviously a holiday, so they're only open a half day. But still, that open, we opened up here, sold off all the way down to here and back up. That's actually a pretty volatile open, one we haven't seen in a while. So far, we bounced at the blue zone, kind of playing the back and forth between here and the yellow zone. I'm actually pretty bullish, so I would be buying the dip. I wish I wasn't so hectic. I probably would have already seen this and even bought the dip. I'll have to wait for an entry. But I would be long. I do think we're going to get out of this. So last week we were talking about just, is this possibly going to be a lower high? It ended up being awesome. We got above that, so we can delete that now. Now, at the very least, horizontal. I do think we're gonna head a little bit higher. Again, I've talked a lot about a crash I think is going to happen in March. Let's cross that bridge when we get there. I think I've talked about it enough. I do think it's important right now to just focus on the current markets. Quit worrying about a crash because you still have to trade into those. All right, NASDAQ. So we rejected that zone. Again, came all the way down here. So far, this one's holding. Is that a good spot? If I go long right now, my stop has to be below here. And that is a wide stop for the NASDAQ. Thought I had 121 SPY puts. No, I had Friday SPY put. No, I had Friday SPY calls. Yeah, because I was long the market. I was actually long the NASDAQ. But last week I had Friday SPY calls, and then I was selling calls against that. I can't remember my last puts I had. The puts I had were during the sell-off back here. Aren't you in the group? Yeah, if you're in my Discord group, I post everything that I buy. If you're not, and you want to check that out, just the Patreon. It'll be the pin link in the comment down below. I doubt it's there right now if you're watching it live, but anyway, check it out. Going back to this, let's see. If we get to that blue zone again, I think I would buy. Tesla's up $6. I might be in Tesla. I'm in Tesla puts, so I don't like that. Tesla needs to come on down. Never mind. I do have a SPY put. I have the 598 SPY puts. I stand corrected. I was checking my account. What was I thinking on that? Just rejecting that zone, I guess. Nothing sold against it, so I'm just flat out short the week. How would I manage that tomorrow? If it's still down. Tomorrow that'll be down, so 598. What's that put us at? 17th. Man, those will be down tomorrow. If the S&P's red, they might be up, but just theta in general is going to clip those because this was today. This was today. Futures were open a half day earlier. Stock market was not. So technically, my SPY calls, they were bought right here. Even though from where it was at is still down. Let me see if Robinhood has it down. It's down 52 cents. What'd I pay for those? $2. I need this at 596 just to break even. So I would need, this is my break even right here. So anything below that would be up. So tomorrow morning I will probably do nothing. Probably hang out. I doubt I would have a spot in the morning to take care of those. Looks like those as it stands right now, if we don't get below that, it's just going to be an L. So there's not much to manage those. And when I take plays like that, that's what those are. So I say risk and capital. Those are 0 to hero. There's not really like I'm going to stop out or anything. I'm either going to make money or I'm not on those. All right. Around noon tomorrow morning. No, I'll be up. All right. Grandpa Dow drop down, hit that zone, bouncing. No, I think we're looking good. This whole weekend's been ridiculous. Actually, this past month has been ridiculous. Hmm. All right.